finger on that gun in a way where I'm not disturbing the rest of it. Like we were talking about earlier with our natural tendency, my natural tendency is going to be to grip. Morning, Steve. Hey. Trying to do anything under any kind of pressure or time, anything added to the process of shooting the gun, it will throw you off. So if I have these two targets, if I aggressively add input to my motion, I might end up over swinging and have to correct.